Mathematics A, Paper 1, Higher Tier. Thursday, 7 January 2021. Answer all questions. Without sufficient working, correct answers may be awarded no marks. The total mark for this paper is 100. Question number 5. Factorize fully 15y to the 4 plus 20uy cube. So to factorize fully, you can write 15y4 as 15 is like 5 times 3. Y to the power 4 is like 1, 2, 3, 4y. Plus 20 is the same as 5 times 4. And then u. And then y cube is y, 1, 2, 3. So you look on the left side and look on the right side. Look at what is found in both of them. There's a 5 there. There's a 5 there. So that 5 will come out of the bracket. There's 3 y's on this side and 3 y's on that side. So the 3 y's will come out of the bracket. What are you left with? You're left with 3. You're left with y. And on this side, you're left with 4. And you're left with u. So you can write the y times y as y cubed. So your answer is 5y cubed brackets 3y plus 4u. Question 5b, solve 4 minus 3x equals to 5 minus 8x over 4. Show clear algebraic working. To solve that, we can take the 4 from the right-hand side to the left-hand side. It becomes times 4. So 4 times bracket 4 minus 3x equals to 5 minus 8x. You remove the bracket. 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times minus 3 is minus 12x. Now, we want to put all the x on the left. So we take minus 8x to the left-hand side. It becomes plus 8x. And we take 16 on the left-hand side, plus 16 on the left-hand side. When it goes to the right-hand side, it becomes minus 16. So we have minus 12 plus 8. It gives you minus 4x. 5 minus 16, minus 11. So it's minus 4 times x. You take the minus 4 to the right-hand side, it becomes divided by minus 4. So x is equal to minus 11 divided by minus 4. The minus and the minus become a plus. So your answer is 11 over 4, or 2 3/4. And you can check if your answer is correct. To check if your answer is correct, you substitute the answer of 11 over 4 where there's x, and substitute where there's x there. And you work out the left-hand side, you will get minus 17 over 4. And when you work out the right-hand side, you'll get minus 17 over 4. That means the left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side. That's the meaning of that symbol, equal, from the Greek word equitas. Question number 6. Write in standard form. So when you put that number, you can start to count from the n. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we move the decimal place 9 places to the left. So it will be 2.84. Decimal point will be 2.84 times 10 to the power 9 because you moved it 9 places. So that's how you write it in standard form. Write 2.5 and 10 to the minus 4 as an ordinary number. You move the decimal point 4 places to the left because it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Under those arches, you put a 0. So it will be 0.00025. Question number 9. Simplify and then factorize and then solve those. So to simplify, we can write it as 2x cubed times y to the power 5. 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 We can write it 4 times. That's what it means. And then we multiply it out. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, that gives you 16. x3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, that gives you 12. And 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5, that gives you 20. So that's your answer. Another way to do it without writing it out like that, you did 4 times 2 to the power 4 That gives you 16. X cubed to the power 4. And you do 3 times 4. That gives you 12. And y5 to the power 4. 5 times 4, it gives you 20. That's another way to do it. Part B, factorize x squared plus 5x minus 36. What we want to do, we want to find all the factors of 36. And I've listed them there. 9 times 4, 3 times 12, 18 times 2, 1 times 36, 6 times 6. We want to choose one of the pairs of factors which would add to make 5. And which two of them we can use 9 and 4, but we have to make the 4 minus. So minus 4 plus 9 is 5. It's the same as 9 minus 4. Now we have x squared stays the same. We split 5 into minus 4 and 9 because 9 minus 4 is 5. And we have 36 stays the same. So now we started with 1, 2, 3 terms. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 terms. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. When we have 4 terms, we can pair them. First pair, second pair. And then we can factorize them. So we want to factorize this first pair. X is common. And then you're left with x minus 4. 36 is the same as 9 times 4. So there's 9 there, there's 9 there. 9 comes out of the bracket. And you're left with x minus 4. We factorize again. There's x minus 4 there, x minus 4 there. So we take that out. And you're left with x, you're left with plus 9. So x minus 4 bracket x plus 9. Hence, solve x squared plus 5x minus 36 equals to 0. So we write that x minus 4, x plus 9 equals to 0. So either x minus 4 equals to 0 or x plus 9 equals to 0. And if you take minus 4 to the right, it becomes plus 4. And you take plus 9 to the right, it becomes minus 9. So your two answers are x equals to 4 and x equals to minus 9. And if you plot the graph using the graphics calculator, you'll get the two answers where x is 4 is the root and x is minus 9 is the other root of the quadratic graph. So that's your answer for question 9A and the answer for question 9B.